children, today we are talking about class 1, second number chapter of real life, plants, flowers and seeds. So children, you know how the plants are very green, beautiful. So most plants bear flowers. I am sure you must have seen different color flowers also near your house. So different plants have different kinds of flowers. So you can see roses also, you can see lilies also, sunflowers also, you can see marigold also. So different flowers grow in different plants, and flowers differ in color, size and shape. So you can see sunflower is very big size, lovely yellow color petals and with a yellow center. Then you can see marigold flower. They are lovely orange color or yellow color and beautiful bunch like small cute they look. So these are the marigolds. And you must have seen the lily, which they call as lotus also. They grow in the water. So these are also different type of flowers which have different shapes and different colors. Marigold you can see in yellow color also, orange also, little brownish also. They look so beautiful, different colors. So you can see flowers with different colors, size and shape. Most flowers have sweet smell. So I am sure you must have taken a flower and smelled the flower. Ah yes, rose flower, correct. You must have always smelled the rose flowers. Then the rose flower has lovely smell. The lily flower also has a beautiful smell, and even the champa flower. So this is very common. Even the jasmine also. The jasmine which grows on the creeper, small flowers, but they give very beautiful smell. From the rose, the smell is so beautiful that everybody make a perfume also. So roses and other flowers give you very sweet smell. So you are coming understanding about the different kinds of flowers. Now let us understand about different flowers. Most flowers change into fruits. So have you seen any flower becoming a fruit? First it will be a small flower like structure. After some days the flower will become a closed dried up flower will be there, and then this part will be developing like a fruit. So you can see the flower has dried up. So this is a dry flower, and this part is changing into a fruit, and finally you will see a complete fruit forming like that. It can be a tomato also, it can be a pomegranate also. So it will form a fruit. So you can see this is a tomato plant. The tomato flower will be so small. It will be showing a small type of flower. After some days you will see the flower will dry up, completely dry up. But in the middle, that part which is there in the center of the flower, it will become tight and the petals will become dried up completely. And that middle part of the flower will slowly turn into different color. It will become first little bit greenish, and then the flower will dry up, and the green color tomato will again change into a proper fruit. So it will become big size red tomato. So the flowers, most of the flowers change into fruits. Children, have you seen this? So I am sure you are going to do this again and again. Go into the garden or ask your mother. Go to a place where you see a lot of garden and vegetable plants growing. You can ask your mother also to grow a tomato plant. You wait for it to grow properly. You can see small flowers coming, tiny yellow flowers will be coming. After some days it will dry up, and the main part of the flower will start changing into a fruit. And the fruit will grow into green color and then red color tomato. Slowly you can see how the flowers change into fruits. Now what is there inside the fruit? Most of the fruits have seeds inside them. So when you open a tomato, what you will see? You will see lot of seeds there, complete in the tomato. This whole thing is decorated like this. Lot of seeds will be there. So these are the seeds. What is there in the fruits? This is the fruit. Inside the fruit, you will see lot of tiny seeds. I'm sure you're eating tomatoes so many times. Yes. So when you cut a tomato also you can see. So tiny seeds are there. Now if you take these tiny seeds and plant them again, new tomato plants will grow. So most fruits have seeds in them. But of course there are some plants which have less seeds, some plant which has more seed. But all the plants will not be having seeds. There will be some fruits which have seeds inside. So children, you are learning about different kinds of seeds. Now let us think about a pomegranate plant. Have you seen a pomegranate? You call that danema. So pomegranate also very nice fruit it is. I am sure you have eaten many times pomegranate. So pomegranate flower also will give you a fruit. So it is very big size fruit, pomegranate. And it will be having a flower like structure here. But pomegranate has lots and lots of seeds, you know that? You should sit one day and count the pomegranate seeds. When you open it, you will find lovely red color seeds which you can eat. It's very healthy also. But next time when you open a pomegranate, learn to count the seeds which you have inside. There will be more than 300 to 500 seeds inside a pomegranate. So many seeds. Think about it. So children, try to do this again. Now next we will talk about the parts of the seeds. So you have seen the tomato plant, you have seen the pomegranate plant, and now you have seen the apple flower also. Even the apples also grow like that. The apple tree will have a nice beautiful apple flower and then it will change into an apple fruit. Plants grow from seeds. So I have drawn a seed here. So at home you must be having tiny seeds. You must be eating chana or gram which is called. So take 1 gram and put it in the water. After some days you will see small root like structure coming out from it. So inside the seed there is a small baby plant. So when you put it in the water it will become very big size. And then from there you can see a small root coming out, and from there a 2 type stem like thing and 2 leaves coming out. So a baby plant is there inside every seed. So when you plant this seed, a new plant will grow. So plants grow from seeds. A seed has a baby plant inside it. What does the seed need now to grow into a big plant? So a seed needs, first thing what a seed needs is soil. So you have to use soil also. Mud should be there, soil, all brown color soil. It needs air. It needs air. It needs water. So you have to water the plant. And it needs sunlight also. So when you give the plant, the seed, all these things, it will grow into a new plant. Children, have you understood? A small seed needs soil. It needs air. It needs water which you are putting inside. And it needs sunlight. All these things help the seed to grow into a big plant. So children, today you have learned about plants, flowers and seeds. So go home again one more time, go through the lessons one more time, just see the pictures and see if you can answer the questions which are there. There are some fill in the blanks at the end of the lesson. You can see the words which is given there. Baby plant, fruit, seeds, flowers, sunlight, all these things are written there. Go through the lessons again, see the video again and see if you can answer that. Let us answer some small simple questions. Name some flowers that have sweet smell. So you can tell. You have seen some nice flowers which give you beautiful smell. So some flowers like rose, jasmine, champa, etc. have very sweet smell. Good, that is the correct answer. What do most flowers produce? So you have seen the different kind of flowers. So most flowers produce into fruits. This is the answer. Okay, what do most plants bear? What do the things which grow on the plants? So most plants bear flowers. They will be bearing flowers also, fruits also. This is what you get from all the different kinds of plants. What does a seed need to grow into a big plant? So do you know what does a seed need to grow into a big plant? Yes, it needs soil, air, water and sunlight. Four things: soil, air, water and sunlight. A seed will grow into a new plant. So you can say this answer, you can write this answer also. What does the seed contain? So what is there inside the seed? You have just now learnt. Yes, a seed has a small baby plant inside it. So this will help it to grow into new plant. So when you eat this different kind of seed, when you soak the seeds and put them in the soil, they will grow into a new plant. We get fruits, flowers and seeds from plants. Children, go through the lesson, write the activity also. Thank you.